Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Southwest Airlines promo code. So if you also want to use Southwest Airlines promo code, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in www.southwest.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Southwest. If you want to enjoy more services, make sure to log into your account. In order to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. After that, simply fill in your credentials. After that, you'll be logged into your account. From this website, you'll be able to book a flight. You can also book a vacations, hotel, car, cruises, etc. If you have promo code, all you have to do is scroll down. Let's say you're booking a flight. For that, what you have to do is fill in these informations. First of all, enter the depart airport. Simply click right over here. Now enter the airport that you're departing from. Now also enter the airport that you want to arrive to. You'll also have to enter the depart date. Also enter the return date. Also enter the number of passengers. After that, if you want to apply the promo code, what you have to do is click on the option promo code that you can see right over here. As you can see here, it is optional, but if you have promo code, you can get special discounts. So if you have promo code, simply enter over here. After entering the promo code, what you have to do is click on the search option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to another interface. You'll be able to see all the available flights over here. Your promo code will be applied. If your promo code is applied, you'll be able to see special discounts right over here. So that is how you use Southwest Airlines promo code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.